Welcome to this gentle yoga practice, a slow and steady sequence of poses to stretch your whole body and feel your best. We'll begin seated, then tilt your head to the right, reach the left arm out to the side, and you're looking to feel a stretch along the side of your neck, shoulder, and arm. Lift the head up and over to the left side. Reach your right arm out to the side. Again, feeling for that stretch along the side of the neck, shoulder, and arm. Lift the head back up. Bring the left arm across your chest. Right hand to the shoulder to gently guide the arm out to the side. Then we'll switch, bringing the right arm across your chest. Left hand comes to the shoulder, gently guiding the arm to the side. And release, rest hands on knees. Inhale, lift shoulders up by ears. Exhale, relax shoulders back and down. Moving at the pace of your breath. Inhale to lift the shoulders up. Exhale to roll them back and down. Create fists with your hands and start to roll out your wrists, drawing generous circles with both hands. Going a few times in one direction and then switch directions. Shake out your hands completely like you're flicking water off your fingertips. And join me in tabletop, with the shoulders over the wrists, hips over the knees. With your inhale, dip your belly to arch your spine. With your exhale, round your back. Inhale into your cow pose. Exhale into cat. Pairing each movement with the breath. Come back to a neutral spine. Inhale, reaching your right arm up. Exhale to thread right arm under left. Lowering the right shoulder to the mat to settle into thread the needle. Come back into tabletop. With your inhale, reach the left arm up. Exhale to thread left arm under right. Finding stillness, softening into position. Come back into tabletop. Extend and lift the left leg and reach the right arm forwards. Holding this here, reaching from fingertips down to your toes. Take a deep breath in, and with your exhale, bring your elbow to knee. Inhale as you open, exhale, elbow to knee. Each breath in, extending the body. Each breath out, drawing it in together. Final time through this. Then come back to tabletop. And we'll switch sides. The right leg will extend, left arm will reach forwards. Hold your balance as you reach from your fingertips all the way down to your toes. Deep breath in here. Exhale, elbow to knee. Moving at the pace of your breath, pairing each movement with the breath. One more time, inhale and exhale. Come back to tabletop. Start to shift your weight forwards and lower yourself down to your belly. Bring the forearms to the mat, gently pressing the floor away to lift the chest into Sphinx. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. Take a deep breath in and a long exhale out. Then walk your hands back, tuck your toes, and lift your hips into downward dog. Pedaling out the legs, swinging the hips side to side as you walk out your dog. Find stillness in downward dog. Take a deep breath in through the nose and a long breath out through the mouth. Then looking forward, step your feet to the top of your mat. Bring opposite hand to catch opposite elbow and sway from side to side in ragdoll, keeping a gentle bend in the knees here. Bring fingertips to thighs. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale as you fold. Step the right foot back and lower the knee. Reach your arms up for low lunge, aligning the crown of the head with the hips. Long spine here. Lower the hands, then shuffle the front foot forwards to straighten the leg, coming into half split. Crown of the head is drawing forwards, lengthening from your crown down to your tailbone. Rebend the front knee, shuffle the foot to the left side to create space for lizard. You could keep the back knee planted, or you could lift the knee for a little bit more of a challenge. Step back to plank from here and we'll hold this a few steady breaths, keeping shoulders stacked over wrists. Lower your knees and slowly lower to your belly, bringing the forearms to the mat, coming into Sphinx. Inhale as you open your chest. Exhale to make your way back into downward dog. Holding for a deep breath in. Exhale it out. Then walk your feet to the top of your mat. Folding all the way forwards here. Inhale as you lift halfway. Exhale as you fold, this time stepping the left foot back, lower the knee, arms up as you inhale into low lunge, lengthening the spine, reaching through your fingertips. Lower the hands, shuffle the front foot forwards to come to half split. Keep the crown of your head drawing forwards so the spine is long, no tension in the neck here. Rebend the knee and shuffle the foot to your side to make space for lizard. You can either keep the back knee planted or you could lift the knee if you'd like more of a challenge here. Then we'll step back to plank again, holding a few breaths, pressing the floor away. Then lower your knees, slowly lower down to your belly. This time keeping hands under shoulders as you lift into cobra. Slight bend in the elbows as you roll your shoulders back and open your chest. Lower the chest back down, push yourself up, and come to a seated position. Extend the right leg to the side, bringing the left foot to your inner thigh. Rest the right hand on the ground as you reach the left arm over, coming into a side stretch. Finding that sense of lengthening down the whole left side of your torso. Inhale to lift up, place the left hand by your side, right arm sweeps overhead as you lift the hips. Spiraling the chest open, deep breath in here. Exhale to sink the hips back down. We'll switch the legs now, extending left leg to the side, bringing the right foot in, resting the left hand on the mat as you reach your right arm overhead, stretching the right side of your torso. Inhale to lift up, place the right hand by your side, left arm sweeps overhead as you pick up the hips. Spiraling the chest open, deep breath in here. With your exhale, slowly lower the hips back down. Extending both legs now, bringing you into a straddle. Resting the hands in the space between the legs. Slowly walk your hands forwards, focusing on keeping a long spine. Relaxing chin towards chest to relax the back of the neck. Slowly lift yourself back up. Place the hands behind you, bend your knees, and start to knock your knees side to side. Tapping the knees to the ground, lifting them up, and going to the other side. Bring your knees together and come and lie down on your back. Hug your knees into your chest. You could stay in stillness, or you could find a gentle rock side to side. The knees could stay together, or you could reach for the feet to find happy baby. Releasing your pose. Extend the legs down the mat. Relax your arms either side of your body to come to Shavasana. Our final posture. Allow yourself to completely relax into the ground as we finish this class with a minute of stillness. Gently wiggle your fingers and your toes, bringing awareness back to your body. Hug your knees into your chest and roll onto your side. Join me back in a seated position. And we'll finish with an inhale, lifting shoulders up by ears. Exhale, relax your shoulders back and down. That completes the end of this practice. Thank you for joining me. I hope to see you again next time.